What's poppin', Chef? In this video, I'll be showing you how to save Jersey Club presets in Acid Pro. Now, right here, I have the loop we made yesterday, and this is the MIDI kit, and I added some drums from my nap time drum kit. Now, I dropped the loop by 1 semitone, and it sounds like this. Now I dropped the MIDI kit onto Acid Pro, and I choose the sound effect from the drum kit section, and it sounds like this. And the drum sounds like this. And all together it sounds like this. Say you want to have like a section where the loop fades out, right? So what you could do is you could go to your EQ by opening up the track effects. You can make the type of filter you want to do. I'm aiming for like a telephone filter, so I could do this, right? Could do something like this. See what that sounds like. Now I'm gonna add some reverb. I'll go to the built-in Sony reverbs. I'm gonna turn down the dry a little bit, up the reverb a little bit. So now let's say you really like that effect and you wanna use it for other sounds. So what you can do now from that point is you can type in a name. So let's call this Telo Verb, and you can save it just like that. And now let's say you want to do that to the 808s, right? Not saying you would, but if you wanted to, you could just go to your chain, look for Telo Verb, and now it sounds like this. Now, you wouldn't normally do that for like an 808, but you get the point. You can, save the chain and use it for multiple different type of sounds. You can also automate it as well. I like to duplicate the track and have one section of the effects off and one on. And I'm gonna automate it like this. And I'll turn this one down. So the one with the effects is turning on while the one with the effects is turning off. So it should sound like this. Now, it sounds good. It sounds like it's about to transition to something, and that could be perfect for the case you're trying to do. With the drums and everything, it sounds like this. Now that could easily transition to a Jersey club with some breaks and stuff. But yeah, this is how you save presets for Acid Pro. Now, if you want the drum loop or the MIDI loop, I'll leave it in the description below. I'll give you guys the Telover preset, and I'll see you in the next one.